Yeah, when we're looking at the analyze the options, I prefer we use some very simple tool to short it. For example, we can simply buy the Tesla ETF. That's it. Tesla. I think it's very likely will. Uh, Tesla. Where's Tesla? Okay, here. Tesla Daily. Tesla Daily, and prepare this two ETF. Let me see. Ah, it goes back. Okay, I missed the opportunity. Let me put a selling order somehow. Let me see. It's around 721. 721. The price is around. Let me see. 19.21. The lowest price is 1912. 1912. It's going back. Very great. 1925. Yeah, there's a small lag you can see from the Tesla ETF. So this is a great opportunity. I mean, for example, maybe 1 minute later, the price will drop because the price of Tesla increases, but somehow it doesn't. So I will trade it using the it's fluctuation. It's fluctuating. Like you can see, it's in the middle points of the burning bands. It's still not a very good time to enter, but we can put a very small amount of money to try it. Just try. So let me buy share by one share. Buy 100. Let's buy 1,000. I would like to say limit order. So the price is going to be, let me see. Yeah, we can do that. Let's buy 1,000 share and see what will happen. But it's a limit order, which means we have to wait. It's possible that it doesn't execute. Interesting. Like the price is increasing. Oh yeah, it should increase. Hey, Bitcoin has crossed this target price. Let me check. Oh, yeah, it's a great time to short Bitcoin. Let me short Bitcoin as well. So come to Robinhood, and we will pick up the Bitcoin, and I will again buy some shorts holdings. Bitcoin. Oh, why there's so many? I think there's Bitcoin daily. Somehow it's not here. I will manually short Bitcoin. Yeah, actually we should do it much faster because it's a 1 minute window. If I didn't do that immediately, I will miss the opportunity. So use BITI to short Bitcoin. Let me see. Let me double check the Bitcoin. Yeah, it's a good time to short it. We will short BITI. We will buy maybe 500 shares just to test our performance, our algorithm. Yeah, it's a good time to buy it. Buy order. Let me put it become limit order. Like this 100. 500. Sorry, let's buy 500. Okay, let's buy it. Let's see whether we can. Then we will go back to the monitor for both Bitcoin and Tesla. And we need to add another alert here if it's, yeah. For example, if it touches or even surpasses this pressure line again, we have to be aware of that. Let me look at Tesla. Yeah, today is very hard to, not very hard, but I mean, we missed the opportunity somehow. It's increasing. It's very interesting. Like, I don't think it should increase so much. So we can see there is a huge lag in the ETF, I guess. We still didn't succeed to purchase in the stock. But today's downtrend didn't end, as so we were definitely looking at any other opportunities that we can trade options or trade stocks in this direction. Let me look at the Tesla options. So I need to have let me see. There should be a watch list that I can use. Oh, here. Yeah, I'm thinking about how much fluctuations on the on the option. Oh, a big fluctuation. Looks at just 4 minutes. There is a 15% fluctuation, which was very great because you can see. Okay, Tesla is increasing, which was very great. The reason is we want to short it. We hope its price is going higher. Then we have more space to short it. Great. So, and for Bitcoin, oh, Bitcoin surpassed this pressure line. Okay, this is not a good sign. The reason is it's possible that it goes to the opposite direction. Yeah, I think we successfully bought in the BITI. And we are hoping the price, well, let me see. Yeah, it's very hard for me to find another pressure line here. The reason is it has surpassed this point. Maybe let's slightly increase the pressure line. If it's just surpassed it, I will flat my position. The reason is we definitely make some mistakes, but still I think, yeah, if we didn't surpass this pressure line, I think let's just treat 60K as the pressure line I will use for Bitcoin. So I create an alert here. If it didn't surpass this line, today's trend should be still bearish. Yeah, that's my claim. Yeah, you can see it goes down a little bit, but I think we can spend more time to monitor it. And for Tesla, yeah, I can feel Tesla today is very bearish. Every time when it tries to go back, it will hit another lower new pressure line, which was very great sign. It still goes up. Interesting. Hey, but somehow I successfully purchased it. Somehow I don't know. Because price is fluctuating, so you can see I earned some money, right? That's very normal. The reason is we have a very steady pressure line there, and you can see we earn something like 100 US dollar on Tesla, but for Bitcoin we lost $5, something like that. Yeah, I think for demo purpose, I think I already succeed. The reason is I told you, um, we have to set a pressure line here, and we only purchase when we surpass this pressure line, and we know there is a very determined trend of the Tesla stock today. It's much easier for us to get money in the bearish trend. Yeah, I think the profit will become more and more later. For example, if it reaches back to this target line, trigger my alerts, I will short it again. So I will get another profit. Yeah, I think I don't worry about Tesla for next 15 minutes at least. But for Bitcoin, it's okay. Like, yeah, it didn't surpass this pressure line. I think we somehow we finished today's demo. But I think we can make it more funny. Like, let me see. The reason is, yeah, like 1.36% gain is, I think it's kind of good. Just in maybe, let me see, maybe 20 minutes. Yeah, and you can go to sleep. I think this money can can have a purchase breakfast. And in order to make this challenge more interesting, I will flag this. I will. I'm thinking about using some options to make it more exciting. Let me think about it. The reason is, okay, you can see Tesla comes to another downturn, and because we enter it very soon, like 10 minutes ago from this pressure line, our holdings are very safe. Yeah, I think we will also make profit on Bitcoin, if you can see, right? The reason, again, we find the correct direction and we enter the game at the correct price. That's the key here. Let me look at the NVIDIA or QQQ. Just because time constraint, I would like to sell all of my Bitcoins. The reason is I don't think Bitcoin has a very large fluctuation today, or it's much less than Tesla. So let's be more focused. I'll sell the Bitcoin and then earn very small amount of money. The reason is I just want to focus more on Tesla. And when it comes to Tesla, okay, still enlarging my profits. We can let me show you how to use option to make the game more interesting. So if I'm going to buy the option, let me see. Option usually has a very big fluctuation. For example, after just wait for 10 minutes, the price goes up like by 30%. I know everybody, a lot of people are excited about option because they're a big fluctuation. Let me show you in the remaining maybe 10 minutes. I'll find a point to enter the game and use option to create some profits. This is not today's demo now because I think we already finished today's demo. Like today's demo's main purpose is to ensure that we make money. It's not necessarily we have to use option because option is very risky. So there is a kind of failure rate if I'm using this tool. But it's very similar to stock because for example, if you can make profit on the stock, there's no reason we cannot make profit on option because yeah, they are very similar. Like the main point is the direction should be correct. That's the first thing. The second thing is you have to enter the game in a in a correct time. For example, the direction is bearish. You cannot, so we should buy put, right? And also another thing is the entry time. Like I enter the game here. Yeah, that's also very important. But again, it's not guaranteed that we can enter the game. We have to wait. Let me think about it. I think today we can do some other things. Like for QQQ, it looks like today, I think today's pullback is very healthy because yesterday there is a huge gap here. You can see the price goes up too much. So I think today's pullback is very great. So I will also short QQQ. Let me think about it. Today's price is very hard to surpass today's highest price. It's here. So when it comes back to this target price, I will short it. This is a strategy I use a lot. I'm happy to share it with you guys. The target price is 464. Okay, get it. So I will come to the QQ. Let me